Hello, I am Kanitha Thames, and I've been coming to see Dr. Parker for 5 to 6 years. And when I first came in, when I first heard of Dr. Parker, I was having a lot of headaches, severe headaches. So when I came in, he treated me, took x-rays, and he started working on my neck. And I was having headaches, severely headache, and he has helped that. And also I have a hip that gives me problem. He has worked on that, and I couldn't be happier. He is a person, he makes you feel like you're the only patient that he has. And he is just a fine man, a dear friend, and a very good doctor. Come to see him if you have any problems.